Ligaments link bones. How many ligaments can you name? The syndesmosis is a collection of ligaments linking the tibia to the fibula just above the ankle. It has risen to fame recently because of many notable football players suffering this exact injury. Historically, we would use metal screws to re-link the bones together if the syndesmosis was torn, but now we use a device called the Tightrope. So instead of metal screws, we use suture to reconnect the tibia and the fibula, which stabilizes the ankle joint. This allows more natural movement at this linkage and early recovery with a faster return to play. Athletes having tightrope suture repair for high ankle injuries do as good or better than those repaired with traditional metal screws, and they return to sports up to 5 weeks quicker. Tightrope ankle repair also eliminates the need for a second surgery to remove the bone hardware. Georgia tight end great Brock Bowers returned to play just 28 days after having this procedure.
Elite.
Go Dogs.